What is a raid and why should we do it as Twitch streamers? Check this video out right now. What's a raid? Are you playing World of Warcraft? Some Destiny 2? Raid Shadow Legends. So essentially, what is a raid and what does it do? At the end of your stream, taking your viewers from your stream and moving it on to another streamer who may be streaming the same thing. It might be one of your friends. It might be a random person, maybe somebody from the Discord community. If it is, then that's great. There's a couple of different ways to raid. One is, like I said, the random. Two is somebody that you might know. And I suggest, as a smaller streamer, raiding someone who is possibly you don't know, but you'd like to get to know. You know, obviously, you kind of want to make sure that your content kind of aligns with the content that you're about to raid that person with, right? So you don't want it to be something that's like off the wall. Like, say you're playing Rocket League and then you raid somebody who's playing World of Warcraft. Well, that's kind of like that's what I consider not a successful raid because it's two different things. Now, you could ask your chat to take a poll on, hey, what game should we check out in the browser to see who to raid? And that's an option. Another question that people ask is, should I raid someone with no viewers or one viewer or just anybody with a viewer less than me? Yeah, you can do that. It's an awesome opportunity. It feels really good to do it.
Nice.
Plus people in a raid with you and you're raiding somebody with one. Or you're trying to help somebody hit affiliate. It's a really kind thing that you're doing. And you may get a follow from that person that you raided. You don't raid with the intent of getting follows. You raid with the intent of being generous and also entrusting that person with the community that you're sending over to them. The other option is to raid someone around your same viewership level. And if you're a streamer trying to grow, I really feel like raiding someone around your same viewer level is probably the best way to go. Only because you'll have not only the person that's streaming eyeballs on it, you'll have the people that are inside of their stream with their eyeballs on it. So strategy-wise, raiding someone with your same viewership is probably one of the best options out of those two. Now, you could also raid somebody who has a lot more viewers than you, but you're probably not going to get the same result. And let's say if I raided Tim the Tap Man or Ninja or something, I wouldn't get the same result as if I was to raid somebody in my same viewer bracket. Same with someone who has lower viewers than you. You may get, like I said, you may get that follow, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's a quality follow. So the purpose of a raid is to really get your community involved in someone else's community and grow from there. I believe raiding is one of the least utilized tools that people, even big streamers, aren't using as much as they should. Now let's talk about whether or not you should raid if you have one or two people, or only raid when you have 5 or more. So I've heard a couple of different things. I've heard that sometimes the raid alerts don't pop up if you're not raiding with at least 5 people. But also I've heard otherwise as well. So my suggestion to you would be to raid no matter what your viewership count is. Why? Because you're still getting in front of new people, creating relationships with new streamers that you could possibly do co-streams with, play games with, hang out with. Raiding is a great way to build friendships and connect with people that you normally wouldn't. In the big scheme of things is making new friends, and we want to also grow our channels, grow our own communities. So I suggest really consider the following. Raid no matter what. Raid someone about your viewer count level. You know, every once in a while it's okay to throw in a raid to someone who's a little bit lower on the scale. Rating someone about your viewer level is probably the best for growth on Twitch. So now real quick, I'm going to show you exactly how to raid. So here we are on Twitch. This is my channel, by the way. The link will be in the description if you'd like to come check it out. Let's say that we just finished up a stream. Okay. This is my friend Hearthstone Nut, by the way. Let's say we finished up a stream and we're ready to raid someone. So what we would do is we would go into our creator dashboard. So you'll want to go into Stream Manager, and then you will want to go to Raid Channel. You can literally type in anybody's channel that you would like to raid, or whatnot. Another way you can do it is you can also go onto your actual chat /raid space the name of the person that you want to raid. So those are the really simple ways and the best ways, I believe, that you can raid. Another thing is a couple of things, a little raiding etiquette. Make sure that you explain to your chat not to go into the person's chat and say, hey, we're about to raid you before you do it. Kind of ruins the fun of the surprise, right? So just a little etiquette. By the way, guys, make sure that you come check me out Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. EST on Twitch. I'd love to see you there. Links in the description. Also, if you would like to be a part of our Discord, in which I raid a lot of people a lot of the time from our Discord, the Discord invite is going to be in the description as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up button. It'll help me out greatly. I just want to make this quick video because I've had a lot of people asking me what rating was and how to do it. So I'm glad that you stuck around for the entire video. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.